every trial you lead me on. Your light will guide my way. I will walk the narrow way, faithful till the end. Christ, my hope and my salvation, on your love I will depend. Hallelujah, praise